Training with Be Clean Professionals here. We are on an eviction here. As you can see, they left a lot of things here. All right, and not good things either. I mean, we got trash. We got spaghetti from who knows. This is molded. All right. No feces or anything, so it won't be a biohazard, which is great. I just really feel bad for the children that lived here. I mean, look, we got flies all over the place. The toilet seat everywhere. So this is flushed. It's flushed. These are one of the things we do, Harrisburg, Lancaster, York area. I mean, this is, some of the stuff you're getting into if you're a property management person. You want to be careful and carefully screen all your tenants. I mean, they just really did a number on this. Look at the hole in the wall. All right. Everything's left behind. Don't touch anything without any gloves, man. It's just a mess here. So we'll see about taking this job. We'll review it, look it over. Things we're looking for here is, just what's left behind, how many truck, disposals we're gonna have to do back and forth, how bad it is, which this one is really bad. We got flies all over the place, food, and there's just stuff everywhere. The amount of truckloads we're gonna have to do, total disposal. This is really one of the worst ones I've actually seen in a while. I've seen a lot. We have like a leakage here from wherever upstairs, and there's the kitchen. This is where all these flies are coming from. Just left all this trash here. Now, I don't think we're going to accept this job, so I wouldn't even dispose of this trash or leave it here because it'll make it easier for us. But I mean, it's one of the worst I've seen. I mean, everything's everywhere. Still stuff in the fridge, freezer. I mean, check all that out. All this. I mean, everything is just destroyed. It's the worst of the worst. But we're cleaning. That's what we get into. We'll put a whole suit on. All right, full suit. We'll come in here, dispose of everything. We'll come in here with a whole team. Normally get everything taken out in about 4 or 5 hours. Like I said, we'll put suits on and, we'll have our mask on and we'll get rid of everything in here. So it's just an idea of like what a job will look like. If maybe you're in the cleaning industry, you're thinking about doing junk removal, things of that sort. These are the things you're dealing with, all right? As you can see there, man, there's just, no trespassing, anything like that. This is no joke. All right, stay tuned for the next one. Oh, it's your boy. Slight word. Flies. Bugs. Oh my goodness. Oh man, look. Sunday or Saturday, fun day.